So I'm waiting on it to warm up a little bit, which here in the next hour it should be okay enough to go outside in 3 layers and not freeze to death. But let's talk about Hell Week. It's called Hell Week in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, beginning December 19th and going, all the way up through Christmas. And then the second Hell Week is that week after Christmas, up until New Year's. Now they call it Hell Week because it's going to be so busy. That is when the most travelers are going to be coming through, and they're looking for a record number this year. And it's not to be disrespectful. I've talked to a lot of the locals and a lot of the business owners, and just because it's called Hell Week, and that's just a name, something they call it, it just means it's busy. It's going to be packed. Don't come down here and expect to just get a hotel room, because there will be none. Everything's booked. And like I said, they're expecting a record number this year. And but this is what keeps the small businesses afloat through the rest of January, February, and March, the slow seasons. So it's not anything disrespectful. It's just a name. But whether you're traveling or you are a local, it's gonna be packed. There's gonna be a lot of people, and that's why I decided to come the 14th, 15th, and 16th because that's the week before. And right now, everywhere I've been, it's not. I mean, it's slow. It's not dead. It's slow. But that's why I decided to come right now. And to me, that is the best time to do your last minute Christmas shopping, as I'm doing, and trying to find something for Way. Way got me a Samsung Galaxy 25 Ultra, which I'm recording on right now. And I am so thankful. And gave it to me early so I could bring it on this trip. And now I have to find something to even, how can I even rival that? That's just like the ultimate gift right there. And I had no idea it was coming. I had no idea. I was completely surprised. And then gave it to me early for this trip. That's even better. So, anyway, there we are. Hell Week. Just a name. But, still, this is my favorite place in the whole world. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I've been coming here since I was... How old was I? I think the first time I was here I was 8. And I've come every year. I think maybe back in 2014, 15 I didn't. I might have missed 2 years there, but yeah, so I get down here every chance I get, and there's always something new. There's always something to do. Way didn't come with me this time because of work schedule and just the fact that we have been here together multiple times, and so Way is just staying in the bathtub, in the bed, crocheting, and playing the PS5 when not working. So, yeah. But this is the first time I've ever been here by myself. I've always been with family. I've been with friends. Me and Samantha came down here one time. It was her birthday, and I had planned a trip to Tallulah Falls, Georgia. We went there, stayed a night, did the hike there, looked at the falls, gorgeous. And then we came back here and stayed a night or two. I can't remember exactly, but gosh, we were both so sore from that hike because Tallulah Falls was like 20 something stories of steps that you have to go down and then climb back up. So yeah, we were both so sore. And yeah, so I've never been by myself, and it's a new experience. It's an adventure for me, which I didn't know if I would like it or not coming by myself, but hey, I'll keep you posted. So far it's been pretty good. So yeah, but anyway, so okay, see you in my next video. But remember, Hell Week, starting from the 19th, December 19th, all the way up until Christmas, and then from Christmas all the way up through the new year. Yep. Anytime the kids are out of school and people are off work, it's going to be really, really busy. See you later. Bye.